I know I asked you about it last month as well, but the sort of assumption that at least what you're talking about now is delaying that last payment of June into July.
That 52nd, that's right. I think I heard Juarez say it was a 5-day or 6-day delay. And again, the whole budget at this point, 100% of the budget and the expenditures are projections. You know, we don't know what it's going to really be. We know what we've projected. Our history indicates that, as you can imagine, we always project conservatively, which means we don't want to take a chance that we're understating expenditures. That would be very dangerous, because all of a sudden we'd find ourselves with an unbalanced budget, and then in Oklahoma you can't do that. So our projections always, if they have a little margin of error, we always try to make that margin that we're going to spend more money than we actually do. So, if history is any indication, and I think I heard Carrie Evans say we're going to be looking at this every month, but as a way to make sure that we're covered without doing any deep cuts today, we're going to wait and see. If we have to, we can delay, and it'll save some $20 million, $25 million if we push that last week's payment over into July, so it goes from one year to the next. I have to believe that, just like it has in the past, our projections will actually be a little high, and we won't spend quite as much as we've projected, and we won't have to do that. So I think you heard her say, you know, when we're 6 months, 8 months into the year, we'll be able to make a decision, and then essentially, if what I say is true, then we will modify our budget plan and say, because we're not spending at quite that rate, we've managed to accumulate a little money along, so we'll modify our work plan and not delay that payment. So that's what I expect to happen.